No one chooses to be an underdog. I'm convinced that being one actually is a gift. Today, a global pandemic has quite suddenly made you and all of us underdogs. Class of 2020, the entire Michigan State family is incredibly proud of you. Congratulations. This is your day. You have fought hard to get here, and importantly, starting tomorrow, you can play a role in healing our world. I grew up in Flint, and I earned an electrical engineering degree at Michigan State. I know what was required for you to earn this day. 11 years ago, I joined a small team with a lofty goal. We wanted to eradicate colon cancer through the power of amazing DNA tools to detect it early. We were underdogs, for sure. The science was complex and unproven, and many doubted or even dismissed us. The Spartan in me told me to ignore those critics, focus on the problems, and simply solve them one at a time. We succeeded and brought to people a non-invasive, at-home way of screening for colon cancer. We've now helped test over 4 million people. When this pandemic hit, our team adapted our technology to test people for the coronavirus. And we now have the capacity to run millions of coronavirus tests this year. The team said, if we can do this, we must. A few months ago, you were looking forward to graduating into a roaring economy. And in the blink of an eye, you are now graduating in uncertain times. You did not ask for this, nor could you have predicted it. As today's leaders contemplate how they are going to deal with these problems, we know the truth. It is you, not they, that over time will carry the greatest responsibility to make progress in the wake of these current challenges. Every few generations, young people are put to the ultimate test of character and resolve. Young people have led us through rocky times. Now you are that generation. You are also the first ones to grow up with technologies that immediately and constantly connect you with people all around the world. And this has made you acutely aware of the challenges we face, like poverty, lack of freedom, inequality, harm to our fragile planet. I believe that you will help solve these and other challenges. The question now is simple. What role can you play and how? The answer begins with a realization that progress doesn't happen by accident. It happens because inspired people take action. It all starts with you, our engineers. Your knowledge and amazing skills will propel you forward in contributing to our shared mission of fighting this disease, reviving our economy, and healing our society. Regardless of the professional path you take, please consider a few things. First, relish your role of being an underdog. Underdogs have the advantage that they don't have a lot to lose, so they think and they act differently. They challenge the status quo. Underdogs are tough and resilient, just like Coach Izzo and his teams. They have to work harder and longer. Second, know that our nation has faced many challenges in the past, and we always overcome them. This is in part because during these times, American innovation always shines brightest. And now you have the chance to use your ingenuity to help secure our nation and world's prosperity and build a brighter future. Finally, remember that engineering is ultimately about helping others. We build and invent new things to improve people's lives, whether through medical innovations, new methods of transportation, or just ways of keeping our planet healthy. We need you more than ever, and we need that character that defines Michigan State graduates. Our country and our world will count on you. The wonderful gift of being an underdog comes from the satisfaction of overcoming the odds and succeeding. So rather than retreating from the challenges ahead, Please use all of your uniquely Spartan qualities to help heal a hurting but not broken world. Deep in my soul, I know that you, Spartans, will.